Mark offered to walk his neighbor's golden retriever while they were on vacation. Leash, check. Treats, check. He strolled confidently through the park, tossing compliments back at passers-by. Beautiful dog. I know, he smiled. 40 minutes later, a voice yelled, "Hey, that's my dog." Mark froze. Another identical golden retriever came bounding up, same size, same smile, but with a stick in its mouth. Turns out the Goldens had escaped different yards, and Mark leashed the wrong one. The real one wagged like crazy, like, "Took you long enough, dude." The other owner wasn't even mad, just confused. Now Mark carries doggy name tags just in case. He's been invited to 5 golden retriever birthday parties. Last weekend he wore a party hat. The dogs were bow ties. Mark brought pup cakes. He's their favorite human now.